It's the most amazing car I have ever seen. The car is very noisy and it's really big engine. It's like hell.
The Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. Elegant, sophisticated, beautiful. But this is a Rolls like no other.
This is my ultimate Rolls-Royce dragster.
Yes, you heard right. And you've never seen a Rolls, or a dragster for that matter, quite like this.
Rolls-Royce are normally a little bit boring cars. This is a little bit.
My Rolls-Royce in 3 words: fast, beautiful and fun. When I saw this Rolls-Royce, it just took with me in my heart, and it's the most amazing car I have ever seen.
And this machine also has a special place in Petri's heart.
This is my favorite build.
And that's a mighty big statement from a man whose previous creations include a supercharged quad bike, a 200 km/h modified moped, and let's not forget the Combine Harvester dragster.
It takes 1.5 years to build this Rolls-Royce.
With help from his friend Rain, Petri started with a steel frame chassis, lined the interior with carbon and leather, and called on a local furniture company to help with the finish.
We don't know what's happened in here.
You see, it looks quite much like an ordinary Shadow from 74, but you see the engine and you see the exhaust. Also, when you come outside of the car, you will see the drag wheels in the back, and you will see the car is much lower than an original one. You need to have that on the racetrack to cut all the power. And in the back of the car, you see how wide the wheels are.
And at the heart of this beast, if a supercharged Oldsmobile V8 isn't power enough, there's always the option of nitro in the back for that extra kick.
Absolutely we don't need, but we can do. In here you have all things you need: leather interior, everything for a nice ride, and also for a fun ride, champagne, crystal glasses, and this is very luxury when you go to the drag strip. The car is very noisy and it's really big engine. It's like hell. We're gonna start her up. First we're gonna remove the steering wheel. More easy when somebody takes the wheel. It's very tight. Isn't that just normal? We need more power. You hear it, I think? It's very loud and fun. It's crazy!
While Tony has no plans to part with this Super Silver Shadow, if your pockets are deep enough, he may just be persuaded.
This is a keeper, but if somebody give you enough money, of course it is for sale.